Here we go, another old abandoned farmhouse. So I'm going to go inside and explore this. What a marvellous piece. I mean, this is what I do. I just drive and I find these places. But I'm just going to show you this, the artwork. Wow, how fantastic is that? The artwork. It's so cool. Wow. Look on these windows. It's so brilliant. Okay, I'm going to go inside, have a look at the old couch. You know what I do like, guys? I love looking at the ceilings of these old places because they look so incredibly cool. And the old light fixtures, I mean, look at the old light fixtures. It's incredible. And that's where the fireplace would have been. I mean, this is missing all the floorboards, and it looks like there's animals residing in here because there's a rabbit hole there. Marvellous. Look at the old fixture there. Awesome. The old lounge. They still left the old lounge here. Wonder how many people have sat on that lounge. Oh. I've got to squeeze through here because this lounge is right in the middle. Here we go, guys. What have we got here? Wow. So we've got the old... This is a typical Australian washer. That's the old mangle there. You wouldn't want to put your hand through that, probably crush it. And an old cot, baby's cot. Look how old that is. And this would be another washer. Yeah. Through here, see what's out here. This would have been some sort of a bedroom, I reckon. Well, gotta watch out. Just bump my head on that thing there, that's the wood. through here. Look. So just looking at that, obviously that's been bent, but look at the old, I find that interesting. Look at that. I wonder if there's any water in there. Nah, she's bone dry. But how cool is that? You know, I love these old things. And the old stove. Look at the old pram. I'm hearing something moving out in the bush here. It's not a bloody snake. I'm just going to go and have a look. If it is a snake, hopefully I can get it on camera. Whatever it was, it's gone. I know, there it is. It's just down there. It's what, a stumpy? Hey guy, hey mate. Come on, say hello. Say hello, I'm not going to hurt you. Hey buddy. Come on, say hello. I don't know if you can see that, guys, but it's a stump-tailed lizard. Like a blue tongue, but anyway, just getting back to this pram again. Wonder what's beyond here. Oh yeah, the old wash at the toilet. No, the bathroom. Awesome. Just gotta watch where you walk because I'm so paranoid about snakes, eh? Curtain's still up. But still, I love that pram. Look at that. The treasures we find when we go exploring. Go through here again. What's out there? What that door goes to. If it opens. Ah, there we go. What do we got there? Yeah. It's like a well.